Hi everyone, we'll be looking at an user interface for a coffee shop mobile app. Let's get it started.
This is our login screen. The first thing you'll see the moment you open the app. Over here is our logo, business name, and slogan. We give a section for users that already hold an account with Just for Coffee, so it's easy for them. But if you do not have an account yet, you can either use your Google or GitHub account. But if you don't want to create a Google or GitHub account, we give you an option to sign in. So here's the sign up section. Click on sign up and you'll get the sign up page. Over here is another section for users to enter their details in order to create an account with Just for Coffee. But for now, we'll be using the username and password section. So let's click on login. Over here is the home page with the header being the business banner and our products, and at the footer you'll see profile, but we'll touch profile later on in this video. So let's order our product. Over here is our order placement page. You'll see that we actually brought some color in here just so that the product stands out, the name of the product and the description. So over here you'll see the price, and add to cart. We'll be adding this beautiful Arabica to our cart. Over here you'll see our cart. We went back to the plain background just so that the customer can focus more on their product, the name of it and the price, just in case they never saw it properly with all the color going on. So we'll be checking out. Over here is our delivery page. We give you once again your total and the amount of items you've chosen, just to make sure you are certain about your order. Over here is a section to enter your address, all your details, and over here is the process that you shall be following. So you click on continue. The payment method in a brown box, so we show you the type of methods we do accept, and then a section to enter your details and then pay your $4.80. Once you've paid it, it will say order complete with a thank you message. Once again, a picture of your product, the name of it, the price, and the total price that you spent. If you press back, you will be taken back to our home page. And now we'll be talking about the footer. Press on profile. Over here, you'll see my profile in a brown box, your first name, last name, username, and email address. But you've ordered everything, so you want to sign out. So you just click on sign out and it will take you back into our login page.
Thank you so much for watching the video on the user interface of the coffee shop mobile app.